Hello, how's it going, Roberto? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Sylvia for giving me permission to send this video over to you. Listen, I don't want to take too much of your time. This video is simply informational and educational, just showing you how to increase your online presence and how to build your online relevancy, right? Usually using the power of Google and your website, of course, right? And you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this. And if I'm honest with you, a lot of pest control, companies, especially their owners, are way too busy to really understand or how to grasp that that they could be receiving much more business, especially during the colder months, right? Being more relevant online, right? So I'm just going to break that down for you really quick in this short video. So there's three things that I want to talk to you about today. The first thing is going to be content. The second thing is going to be backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? So first and foremost, I was kind of fiddling with your website here before I even started the video, and it's pretty easy to navigate, honestly. I do like the colors. This, honestly, is kind of a little difficult to really see. I mean, it's really not that big of a deal, but if I'm honest with you, Google doesn't really care how pretty a website is. They don't really care, if it's easy to navigate or anything like that. What they care about is content, right? So content is just the amount of words and stuff that you have on your website. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it, and I'm going to put it in my word counter over here to see where you're at with your words, okay, and your content. So you have 186 words. Honestly, a dominating website has anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage alone. Okay, so you're definitely lacking there. That would be my first tip to you, is to increase the amount of words that you have on your homepage. That would help Google find you even easier, okay? And then having relevant keywords that is associated to what you do, right? So you would put anything like pest control services Laredo, Texas, or pest control Laredo, Texas, pest control Laredo. Those are just basic keywords that you can put here on the homepage of Google, and that would definitely help you increase your online relevancy and your visibility, right? So Google can find you even easier. Now, I also went on ahead and copied your URL here, and I put it in my tool here. This tool is called hrefs, okay? Now, hrefs is just a tool that allows me to kind of peel back the curtain to see what's going on behind the scenes, right, with your website and things like that. There are plenty of tools like this that are free that you can use. This is a paid tool, obviously, since I'm in the industry, but there's a lot of tools that you can use that are free just by Googling like keyword researcher for free, backlink checker for free, things like that, and you can see exactly what I'm seeing on my end, okay? I just wanted to show you exactly what I'm seeing, okay? So first things first, referring domains, you have 8 of them. That means you have 8 other websites that are pushing traffic towards your website, and they're doing that 10 times, okay? This is what the backlinks mean, okay? It's saying here that you have 11 keywords or 11 keywords in your entire website, bringing you 0 traffic. This is just an average. So mainly, nobody is really viewing your website, bringing you $0 in traffic value. Okay, now there could be a lot of reasons for that, but I'm gonna tell you right now that I did the same thing to your competitors, Target Pest Control, and I plugged them into the same tool. Okay, I just have them here on a different tab. So what I'm seeing here is they have 42 referring domains compared to your 8. And they have 120 backlinks compared to your 10, okay? Now they have 114 organic keywords, and 273 people are visiting their website per month, bringing them $1,700 in traffic value. So there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table by not optimizing your website and ensuring that you're visible on Google so people can find you, right? Now, if you're saying that most of your business comes from word of mouth, as I said before, you're still leaving a lot of money on the table, right? Most businesses want to scale, they want to grow, right? They want to hire more people to be able to inevitably, right, make more money, right? So I would definitely have you, if you wanted to research the backlinks that your competitors have here, you're more than welcome to do so, and then stack them onto yours, right? Because if they're good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you. That's the best part. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Unfortunately, Google knows that you're not a restaurant, right? You're not an Arby's or anything like that, so they don't want other restaurants or things that are not, related to your niche pushing traffic to you, right? Because it doesn't build trust, it doesn't build power, according to Google, right? Like these guys, even this rating here, right, is not that great. Like, if I'm honest with you, I've seen higher than that, 30, 40, even 90 DR right here, which basically shows how much power they're getting from their referring domains and things like that. So just ensuring that you're getting other pest control companies or blogs or forums or things like that that have to deal with pest control and extermination, as long as they're pushing traffic to you, well, then you'll be getting tons more traffic to your website, and Google will find you a lot easier, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations is how you end up here in the map pack, okay? Now, quickly, a citation is just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, okay? And a directory is just, you know, like Yellow Pages. You've got White Pages. You have Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List. Those are just, you know, a small, you know, list of directories that you can put your business in. Now, the more citations that you have, the higher you'll be up here in the map pack, okay? There are tons of citations also locally to Laredo that you can use. This is how Target Pest Control is number 2 here, because they have more citations than you, right? Now, so what you would want to do is just put in your business name, your address, and your phone number in all those different directories, and you'd land more citations, and eventually you'd land up here in this map pack in the top 3, right? Now, I don't know if you're like me, but I don't go down here scrolling to the 3rd or 4th page looking for, you know, trying to find what I'm looking for, right? I'm usually just going to trust the map pack. So this is where all the traffic goes. This is where all the money is. This is where most people are finding what they need. Now, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So there are 2 options. So the first option is to take all this information and just apply it yourself, right? Put your website out there, ensuring that you're stacking those backlinks, doing the research and seeing the citations and the backlinks that your competitors are using and using them for your own, making sure that you have enough content, right? You're needing at least 1,000, I would say, so that you can become more visible on Google, right? So people can find you and they can call you and use your services, right? And then or if you were looking to outsource some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help and see where I see what I can do to get you in this map pack or to get you organically ranked. If that's something that you're interested, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for your time, Roberto, and a special thanks to Sylvia for allowing me to send you this video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care.